Hello, my name is Razvan and welcome to Razcapapercraft YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami very small Halloween pumpkin. It is a very small model, only 150 pieces, and I hope you enjoy this. It is a very beautiful gift for Halloween holiday. Let's start. For this model I will use three colors. We use orange, some black and some green pieces. These are small 3D origami pieces. You will obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. These small 3D origami pieces are made exactly in the same way like the large one, but only difference is the size of the rectangle of paper. These small pieces are made from this rectangle of paper, 3.6 by 2.7 centimeters, and we obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. I will make very fast a 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, please look in the description of the video, and there you will find several links about 3D origami paper, 3D origami pieces and other stuff for beginner. Okay, you can see there is a huge difference between these two pieces, and now I will transform this. I use 6 large pieces connected together in a row. I put the edges in the pockets, push, and then with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces like this. It is very easy to work with them, and the model will look very beautiful. I use normal colored printer paper, 80 grams per square meter. First, I will show you how I glue 3D origami pieces. I use a paper solid stick glue. You can find this kind of glue in every office supply store. I put some glue inside the pocket and then connect with other pieces like this. I glue every piece and I recommend you to do the same. And now we connect pieces like this. We go with 3 rows in the same time, and we connect pieces until we have 8 pieces in the first row, 7 pieces in the second, and 6 pieces in the third. Complete these rows. I finish all these rows, 8 pieces in the first row, 7 in the second and 6 in the third. And now very simply we close the circle and we complete the second row with 1 piece and the third row with 2 pieces like this. And we have a very small open 3D origami base. Next we increase the number of pieces. Now we have 8 pieces in a row and we increase to 16. And for this we put first 1 piece like this between these 2 pieces from the previous row, and then we put 2 black above. Then we increase again and put 2 orange pieces above like this. And we repeat this until we complete the row. Increase and 2 pieces above. Finish the row after this pattern. Now we have 16 pieces in this last row, and now we put 1 black here, then one orange, and again one black, and the rest of the row we complete with orange pieces like this. Finish the row. Next we put an entire orange row, and do not forget to alternate the direction of the rows. If you put a row in this direction, the next row put the pieces in the other direction like this. Complete the entire row with normal orange pieces. Next row we put one black piece here, and then the rest of the row we complete with orange pieces. Finish the entire row. Next we put two orange pieces here, then we put one black piece here and another one in the other part like this, and then we complete the entire row with orange pieces. Complete the row. Next we put an entire orange row like this. Finish the row. Next we decrease the number of pieces in a row, but first we push a little bit like this. And now we start here from the back, and first we put a normal piece, and then we put 3 edges in one piece. First we push like this, and we repeat this until we complete the entire row. 3 edges in 2 pockets. Repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Now we finish this last row. We have only 11 pieces in this row, and the next row we alternate one green with one orange piece like this. And we repeat this until we finish the row. Here somewhere in the back we put 2 orange pieces, one beside another like this, and then we repeat the pattern, one green, one orange. Do not forget to glue. I finish this last row, and now my small 3D origami Halloween pumpkin is finished. And next we will push and push really hard like this, and now the model is finished. I hope you enjoyed this very small 3D origami Halloween pumpkin. If you like my videos, please subscribe, make comments and share my videos. This is all for today. Have a nice day.